YouTube, welcome back to my channel, and this will be the last episode of my Coursera Python for Everybody series, and we're gonna end the series with a final assignment in week 7. Let's check it out. And our assignment is 5.2. Here we go. Okay, so the assignment is a program that will keep asking the user for integer numbers indefinitely until the user enters done. And once you enter done, the program will print out the largest and the smallest numbers that you entered. And another thing, if the user inputs anything other than an integer or the letters done, then we have to put out an appropriate error message. Okay, so without further ado, let's begin. As you can see, quite a lot has already been done, and we can keep some of it as well. We'll keep the two variables largest and smallest and their values none. A side note, in Python, none means null. It doesn't mean zero. It's a data type in and of its own, like string or float. So for now, the variables largest and smallest are data type none. Next, we'll start an indefinite while loop with while true, where at first we'll ask the user to enter a number. Next, if the user inputs done, we'll have to stop the loop. So that will be our first condition. And so we'll keep this line if num equals done, colon break. We can also write break in a new line, it doesn't matter. But we don't need this line, so we'll delete that. Now we can move on to our try and except blocks, where we'll actually store the largest and smallest values and catch any error made by the user. So let's begin with our try block. Try. And guys, our first job is always to convert the user input into floats or integers so that Python can recognize them as actual numbers. In this case, we'll convert the user inputs into integers and assign a new variable. Let's say n equals int of the user input variable num. Next, let's input the conditions for our maximum value. If largest is none, largest equals n. If largest is less than n, then also largest is equal to n. Well, that takes care of our maximum value. Now let's do the same thing for our minimum value. If smallest is none, smallest equals n. If smallest greater than n, then also smallest equals n. Okay, that should take care of our maximum and minimum values. And guys, if you have any problems understanding the code, leave a comment down below. I'll be more than happy to explain it to you. Okay, now we'll have to get on with our except block. And guys, make sure to indent your except block at the same level as your try block. So let's begin. And in our except block, we'll only write an appropriate error message for any invalid entry made by the user. So let's type print invalid input, as you can see in our desired output. Make sure that the I of invalid is capital. And guys, since this loop is supposed to continue until the user types done, so we have to type the keyword continue so that it goes back to our while loop instead of stopping. And that concludes our code. The only thing left is to type two print statements, one for our maximum and one for our minimum. And notice guys, there is the word is in both statements. So we have to add the word is to the already given statement. And in our second print statement, we'll write minimum is, comma, smallest. And that is the end of our program. We're supposed to enter the numbers 7, 2, then the string Bob, and then 10 and 4. And our output should look something like this. So let's check one final time if it's working. 7, 2, Bob, 10, 4, and then we'll enter done. And it's a match once again, and we're done. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, then give it a thumbs up And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more problem solving videos like this one. Until next time, stay problem free and take care, guys.